Hi, this is Gail and welcome. Today I want to share with you a little project I finished yesterday in about 3 hours. I went over to a friend's house and we had both purchased these kits that I'll show you in a minute from Let's Make Art, and they are watercolor kits. And I don't personally feel like I can draw, not real well anyhow. And so these kits were perfect. You have a kit, and then there's a video tutorial that you can watch to show you how to watercolor and use the techniques and shading, etc. that go along with the kit. So first, let me show you what I created yesterday in about 3 hours. This lovely cardinal. Now, I'll bring it in a little bit closer for you. And you can see there's some shading, and there really were only 4 colors of watercolor that were used: black, red, green, and yellow. And they supply those colors for you in the kit that you buy. Okay, so let me show you. Now, they don't come in this metal tin, but I'm going to start storing mine in the metal tin. And I'm keeping this. I'll end up probably putting that on the outside, but not sure. And you can see this is the green. It's labeled, and these are full. So there's all 4 of those that you get with the kit. You also get a colored photo done by the artist. Her first name is Sarah, I believe, but I'll have the info below in the description box for you. And so this is her rendering in watercolors of the cardinal. Then they give you the step-by-step sheet, which shows you the 4 or 5 steps that it takes to get this. And then you get 2 pieces of plain watercolor paper. You get a piece of carbon paper to take this picture, this penciled or line drawing, and transfer it onto the watercolor paper. Now, instead of using the carbon paper, what Marilyn and I did was we took the plain paper, put this design behind it wherever we wanted it, and kind of used paper clips to keep it in place. And then we went to her sliding glass door and used it like a light box and traced what we wanted. So that was kind of fun. So basically, she and I sat at the table and we watched the video on my iPad and proceeded to do as instructed. So it was quite fun. Actually, enjoyed it a lot, and I felt like a really nice finished project. I didn't think about it until today, but there was no mention of doing anything with the background, so I suppose the colors really pop if you just leave it white. So, again, I have enough paper to do yet another one, and it will be interesting to see how close I come with the second one to this one and to what the artist actually did. So, lots of fun. Highly recommend you go to Let's Make Art and check it out. And if you're relatively new to watercolor, I've dabbled in it. I would not say I know a whole lot, truthfully. But if you're relatively new, this is a great way to just put your toes in the water and play a little bit. And again, as I said, I didn't have to draw this. And I think what's held me back from doing some watercolor in the past is feeling like I have to draw, and I don't feel like I can draw. So this was a great alternative. So now what I figure I'll do is I'll get some more of the watercoloring techniques because I bought 2 more kits. And then maybe I'll attempt to do some drawing on my own. So let me show you the other 2 kits that I got. This one is the iris. Love irises. And then this, oh, let me see if I can get, well, pretty close you can see. And this is the bunny. Is the bunny not cute or what? So this one has a little more detail and fine things with the whiskers. So that's going to be fun to try. And it looks like they're at step 6 here. Looks like 9, maybe 10, 11, 12 steps. So this one is a little more complex. So, and this one is easier, I think, than even the Cardinal. But anyhow, I have lots of fun ahead of me with these kits. So just thought I'd share this with you in case maybe you're like me, don't feel like you're a really great artist, but you want to dabble in some watercolor and learn the techniques. So there you have it. Again, focus on joy. Find your joy and focus on that. Get out there and create some art. Have some fun. And until next time, please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.